This video demonstrates how to install and launch the search for Enlight in your browser and enter the Enlight Technology official website. Hirender official website, select the product Hirender S3 and click Download. It is recommended to use Windows 10 Professional as the operating system. It is recommended to use a dedicated graphics card. Please consult technical personnel for specific models based on project requirements. For screen settings, please choose Extend mode to ensure normal display later. After downloading, open the installation package and select the language. If S3 software is already installed, a pop-up will prompt whether to delete the existing version. Click Yes to delete. Read and agree to the agreement. Set the installation path. Set the shortcut path. Set additional shortcuts, then click Install. After installation, start the software. The all-in-one mode software requires authorization. Please contact the sales personnel. If you do not have authorization, you can switch languages here. After switching, a confirmation dialog will appear. Click OK, and the software will restart and change the language. Create and open a new project. Projects and editing can be saved by pressing CT or Alt+S, or using the Save button in File. Click Pack Project in File to package the current project's media files, project files, and snapshot information into a folder. Set the folder name and path, then select Use to package media that is already in the timeline and program management, or select All to package all media files. After exporting, you can find the packaged files in the specified path.